You know that feeling when you have everything planned out, the workout, the project, the chores, but your body just won't cooperate? You're sitting there, scrolling, waiting for motivation to strike like lightning. And here's the brutal truth, it never does. Most people think they're broken or lazy, but what if I told you that you're not lazy at all? You're just stuck in a trap that nobody taught you how to escape. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to break free, even when every fiber of your being is screaming, not today. Here's what nobody tells you about motivation. It's unreliable. It's like that friend who only shows up when life is already going great, but vanishes the moment you actually need them. You slept badly? Motivation's gone. You had a rough day at work? Poof, disappeared. And if your entire productivity system depends on feeling good first, you're building your life on quicksand. The game changes when you realize something powerful. You don't need to feel motivated to take action. You don't need to feel confident to be confident. You don't need to feel energized to move your body. What you need is to stop letting your feelings drive the car. And there's a proven method to do this. It's called Thought-Action Diffusion. Fancy name, but it's about to change everything for you. Let me walk you through it. I call it the Diffuse Method. The first step is to distinguish your feelings from your actions. Right now, you're probably fusing them together without realizing it. You think, I feel tired, so I can't work. But here's the thing. Tired is just a sensation. It's not a command. It's not the law. It's just your body saying, hey, I'm experiencing some heaviness right now. Next time that wave of laziness hits, don't panic. Don't judge yourself. Just observe it like a scientist. Say it out loud if you have to. Okay, I'm noticing a heavy sensation in my chest. I'm hearing a voice in my head saying I should rest. By simply naming it, you're creating distance between the feeling and your choice. You're reminding yourself that feelings are just weather. They pass through you, but they don't control you. Here's the magic. You can feel exhausted and still stand up. You can feel unmotivated and still open your laptop. Your hands and feet don't require permission from your emotions. Once you truly get this, everything shifts. Now that you've separated the feeling from the action, it's time to fake it. And I don't mean fake it in a dishonest way. I mean act the part. Think about professional actors. Do you think they wake up every day feeling like the character they play? Of course not. Some days they're grieving, anxious, or completely drained. But they step onto that set and they become someone else because that's the job. You can do the same thing. Ask yourself, if I were motivated right now, what would I be doing? Would I be slouched on the couch in yesterday's sweatpants? Probably not. I'd be sitting upright. I'd have my workspace clear. I'd be dressed like someone who has their life together. So do that. Put on the costume. Sit up straight. Open the document. Move your body like a productive person moves. And here's the beautiful part. Your brain doesn't fully know the difference between real motivation and acted motivation. When you behave productively, your brain looks at what you're doing and starts to believe it. It creates a feedback loop. You act focused, your brain thinks, oh, I guess we're focused now. And suddenly, real motivation starts to show up. Motion creates emotion, always. All right, you've distinguished the feeling, you've faked the action. Now we need to build your uptime. This is how long you can sustain that focused state before your brain taps out. And here's the truth. If you've been couch-bound for weeks, you can't expect to suddenly work for 8 hours straight. Your focus is like a muscle. It needs training. Start with the 10-minute rule. That's it. Tell yourself, I only have to do this for 10 minutes. If I still hate it after that, I can stop. No pressure, no guilt, just 10 minutes. What you'll discover is that starting is the hardest part. Once you break that initial seal of resistance, momentum takes over. Most of the time, you'll keep going way past those 10 minutes because the friction is gone. Tomorrow, push it to 12 minutes. Then 15, then 20. You're not just completing tasks, you're literally rewiring your brain. You're teaching it that focus isn't this mythical state reserved for superhumans. It's a skill you can build, one small rep at a time. And before you know it, those 10-minute sessions become an hour, then 2, then a whole afternoon. Finally, let's talk about protecting your zone. You can have all the willpower in the world, but if your environment is screaming distractions at you, you're going to lose. Your phone buzzing, Netflix autoplaying, that pile of laundry staring at you. Every distraction is a tiny decision you have to make, and every decision drains your mental battery. So stop fighting yourself. Stop relying on discipline alone. Instead, engineer your environment. Grab a piece of paper and write down every single thing that pulls you off track. Your phone, social media, that game console, the TV remote, the snacks in the kitchen, all of it. Now, remove them, physically. Put your phone in another room. Use an app blocker. Hide the remote. Clear your desk so there's nothing but the work in front of you. When your zone is clean, there's nothing standing between your intention and your action. You're not battling temptation. You've removed the battlefield entirely. This is how you set yourself up to win before the game even starts. Listen, progress doesn't always feel like progress. It's not this dramatic Hollywood montage where everything clicks overnight. It's quieter than that. It's like filling a jar with water, one drop at a time. For weeks, the jar looks empty. You look at it and think, this isn't working, nothing's changing. But beneath the surface, the water is rising. And then one day, one single drop makes it overflow. And suddenly, everyone sees the results you've been building in silence. Every time you distinguish a feeling, fake the action, push through those 10 minutes, and protect your zone, you're adding a drop. You're becoming someone new. Not someday, right now, today. So stop waiting to feel like the person you want to be. Stop waiting for permission from your emotions. Start acting like that person today, even if it feels awkward, even if it feels fake at first. Because here's the truth. Success isn't about those rare days when you feel unstoppable. It's about showing up on the hard days, the tired days, the I don't want to days, and doing it anyway. You've got the tools now. You've got the method. Now go out there and diffuse that laziness. Your future self is counting on you. Let's get moving. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, you're not lazy. You're just learning how to separate feelings from action. Now go prove it.